this little Jim. Very good with my son. First time meeting Wesley. How come you guys look alike? Have chubby butt. Huh? Look at how chubby she is now. Huh? How come so chubby? Oh, belly rubbing. Belly rubbing. Oh, she's so good with me. Very submissive. Always like that. Slinky butt, huh? What a good girl. Just this slightly longer fur coat. Very fluffy. Very fluffy. Hey Sparky, you want to join us? And oh, you want to come join us? That's okay. Okay then. Mama loves you. Oh, Mama loves you too. Come. I'm talking about Jem, not you. Cutest thing about her is that she has these tiny little black mouth, but it's a smiley curve here. So whenever you look at her, you just makes her day. Just very happy. Hi, smiley girl. So we can name her Jem. Did you see that, Wesley? Oh, there's hair in your mouth. Wesley.
Tweet.
A tweet. Who are you? Ah, you want me to fix it?
Yeah.
That's okay. Wait. Wesley, look at this. Look at her face. Did you see that smiley?
Wow, I can't see it.
Isn't it
She's
cute?
moving too much.
No, she has that like mustache. But
No, she's moving too much. I can't see it.
oh, can't see. That's really good. You can tell no foot aggression, treat aggression. My son. You want to touch her mouth when she's eating? Where are you going? You want to go to bed? Want to go to bed already? Good night.
Go.
Okay, bye-bye. See you in the morning, okay?
Whoa.
Okay?
Good.
Okay. Did you pee and brush your teeth already?
Yes.
Okay. Go to bed. Good night. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss.
Oh.
Kiss, kiss. Good night again.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Oh.
Look at this fluffy. Even this raw hiding with my fingers.
Oh.
And then Spocky's here.
Oh.
You're such a good boy, Spocky. You're such a mama's good boy. You're such a mama's good boy, okay? What's itchy? What's itchy? What's itchy? Oh my lord, she got so, it's so chubby. You non-stop eating, huh? She's eating buffet every day. For free. Keeps eating. Oh. Isn't she cute? Yeah, she's way too cute. Way too cute. Way too cute. Look at that smiley face. Ah, yeah. What do you want, Spotty? Mommy give you a treat too. You want a treat too? You want a treat too? You want a treat?